Hi, I'm Beth Williams with Memory Makers Magazine, and I'm at the Craft and Hobby Association trade show in Chicago with Mark Ripper, the CEO and president of Helmar Australia. Helmar Australia is an adhesive product company that has a wide range of adhesives. And today Mark is introducing the 450 Quick Dry adhesive. Mark, can you tell me a little bit about your company's history and why there's such a wide range of adhesives in your product line?
Hi Beth. We're an Australian company. We're a family-owned business. We've come from a manufacturing background. We started in 1970. Around the 1980s, we were approached by craft retailers and other crafters about looking at products for the craft market that they'd seen outside of Australia. We made it at that time. We still do. We make a lot of spray adhesives and other things that are used in industrial applications. And so we started looking at the craft market and noticed that a lot of products really weren't designed for what they're being used for. So we started developing products specific to their task. And the feedback, and obviously we get from that, is the quality of the product and how well it works. We're not based on price. We're looking at the actual product working and for the purpose it's designed, which is why we have such a wide range of scrapbooking products, quilting products, products for art and craft.
Okay, great. Well, I look forward to looking at some of the scrapbooking product line, including the new 450 Quick Dry adhesive. We'll be talking with Tracy Weinzaffel-Burgos, the VP of Sales and Marketing, and she's going to share a little bit about how this new product works on acrylic especially. Thanks, Mark.
Thanks, Ben.
Hi, Tracy. Why don't you go ahead and tell me a little bit about your new product, the 450 Quick Dry adhesive, and then I think you have something else to share with us too.
Oh, yes, I do. I'd be happy
Great.
to. This is our 450 Quick Dry adhesive, which is which is perfect for the acrylic albums that are very popular right now. I use this adhesive on this entire album.
Wow.
And what we use this for is any type of sheer fabrics, ribbon, rickrack, burlap material. Works perfect. It doesn't bleed through.
You can use it on photos too?
You can use it on the photos. I used it on the back of these photos.
Wow.
I used it,
it's very smooth.
It doesn't bleed through. It dries clear, so you don't see any type of adhesive coming through.
I see that.
This is a good example right here.
Perfect. Wow.
And I can go ahead and demonstrate that. This is used on the back of ribbon, which we all use.
Every day, huh?
I'm a big ribbon user. All you do is place it down, and it dries clear.
Okay.
Doesn't show through. I use it on the back of embellishments. I use it on the back of buttons.
It's perfect. And what's the drying time?
All of our adhesives, they dry clear, but they set in about 10 minutes.
Wow, that fast.
It's real fast.
That's fast.
And then they cure overnight, a couple of hours. I am not one to leave all my projects to dry, but I like to work fast. And then. But because it dries clear and it's no mess, and even if I have it coming through the button just a little bit, it's going to dry clear, so it's not going to make a difference.
That's perfect.
That's my favorite.
That's really awesome. Now tell me then about the liquid.
These are liquid scrap dots. Yes. If you're familiar with pop dots, this is the same idea, only it's liquid. So you control the dimension that you want to get on all of your projects. And
also just where it goes too, because sometimes pop dots you have to kind of trim to fit whatever you're doing.
This is one application. You go ahead and place it on the back of your item.
Okay.
And you hover it over the top. It can be as high as you want. I like to use it on the back of butterflies, dragon, any birds.
And you can just really get in there with it too.
And you can angle it. And again, that sets in about 10 minutes and then cures overnight. And once it hardens, it's not going anywhere.
Wow, that's perfect. Thanks so much for sharing with us, Tracy. Really appreciate it. And if you have more questions or need more information about the Helmar adhesive product line, go to helmarWMV.wmv.com.